Good day everyone. Welcome to Diko graphic design channel. Today I'm going to show you some trick about Photog. Some people think Photog is all about just mock-up design. But it's not only just mock-up design, there are some other things you can do there. Even a lot of resources are there too. So today I'm going to teach you how you can download some resources there into the Photog and how you can export those materials, those resources, how you can save it directly to your gallery for you to be able to use it on another app, either on PC Lab or on Photopia or any other app. So let's start. When you look at it, this is the working area of Photog. Photog are in three types. There are three types. We have the pay app, we have the one that we call premium, and we have the pro versions. You understand? At times it depends on the phone and it depends on the server. Many people do find it difficult. And I do tell you that whenever you have issue on Photog, what you need to do is this. You see Photog, whatever the work you did here, it normally save it on a server. The server has a minimum number of design or work or activities that it can accommodate. When it is being full, it will not take another one. But this is the fact that the way the language they use to design this particular app does not give everybody a level of understanding, does not allow people to understand what language the app or the messages the app is normally passing across. But if you wanted to do that, to remind you on what I've done in my previous video, just come to your project. You see, I've designed this particular thing. You will see it. You see, I designed this today, Friday, October 16th. You see, so if you have more than one work that you have designed before, this is how the work will show. But before that, let me just quickly do some things. This is how the work will show. Okay, fine. Sorry. So if you have done maybe like 10 or 20 words, this is how it will display them. So what you need to do to delete this thing from the server? What you have to do, you discover that we have two options, even if you don't understand it. So what you have to do is to click one option out of the two. You see, if you click this, it means open. You are going to open this particular word, this particular design. You understand? And once you open it means you want to really still work or edit something there. But if you click this second one, if you click this second one, it means you delete it from the server. So when your Photog is displaying a kind of stuff that you didn't understand and you find it difficult to proceed with your design, this thing is frustrating. What you have to do is to just click on your project the way I did, and you will see the number of those work you have done. And when you save it, so what you have to do is to just come here and click this. When you click it, it will close, it will delete it automatically. Let me do that one now for you to see. Okay, this is it. You see, nothing is there again. Nothing. And this is the list of items. That is what you are seeing here. This one was telling you that these are the list of your previous activities. So in deleting it, if it is more than 10 and you delete the second one, you'll be able to erase the memory, delete some works that you've done that is being saved on the server, on the memory of that Photog. And when you release that, you'll be able to work on it. And another thing is this: server normally disturb some people to work with this, but due to the fact that they didn't understand what they were using their app to do, you understand? I mean, the language they used to design their app, so many people find it difficult to comprehend or understand the languages or the messages this app is passing across. So for that case, Once they delete everything they might have done under the project, they still find the same issue. Some people will be complaining that this thing is not work. Wait for a while. It's probably a server or the network of your area. So in such a situation, just wait for a minute. Once you've done deleting all the previous work, you don't have any issue with the app again. Just wait for a minute. The server will be fine too. Try it. You don't need to panic or stressing yourself or started calling people. Later, you continue design on it. And that is that about that. Now let's go into what? Let's go into main business. When you look at it, you see we have some what? These are the working area of this particular app I'm talking about. We have mask, you see, this is mask. We have texture, we have sticker, we have font, and we have background. Some people, and we have what? We have gallery. Gallery is what I will explain each of these things one after the other. You see, let me take sorry. Let me do something. Let me bring this one down. Okay, fine. So when you look at what when you this is look at it. This is a fake chart maker. It's my gallery. We have manage item presenter, and we have present, and we have the project. So now let's take it one after the other. You see, some people just what? Some people don't know how to use all these apps. They will just come directly into what? Into design. Sorry, into design new project. So that is the only thing they know, and they will go and import due to the fact that that's how they've been taught. But in a nutshell, what you have to do is just what? You can do more than that. Let me explain mask as an example. Mask as an example. So this mask, it contains a lot of what? A lot of resources that you can save into your Photog app. When you save it, you'll be able to use it. Let's open it. Let me open mask. You see, when you see mask, you see these are the resources you can use either to design anything. It depends on your what? Depend on your creativities. So whenever you want to download any, what do you have to do? Just click this. When you click it, automatically you wait for a while it's downloading, and I will tell you where you can find them. You understand? You see all these things, I've downloaded them before. You can still re-download it to not multiply. That is the beauty about this particular app. So what next are you going to do? You have to what? Just back it. You see? That is what is inside the mask. Now let me go to texture. Let's go to texture. So look at the texture. These are the texture that you can use for your what? That you can use for your design. You understand? Whenever you wanted to download all this, just download this. I've downloaded all these things before. I've downloaded them. This site is in download, and I will show you where you can find each of these things I'm talking about. Now let's go into what? Into sticker. This is the beauty of it. You understand? This is sticker. You see all these sticker. Let me just download this. If you want to download, you click here as usual. You see, it is telling pack I've already downloaded. You click. The next thing is what? I want to click this. I want to re-download, and you see it is downloaded. This is how you what? You choose anyone you want here, and you download it. Let's now go, not to waste our time. That's how you will do all these things. Now let's go into main project. I want to go and design something. What are you going to do? Having got all this, having do all this, what are you going to do? The next thing you will do is this. Just what? Just come into sticker as usual. Click on sticker. Then you will see another sticker at the left corner like this. Click on it. So when you click on it, you see all these things. These are the things that come along with this particular app. You understand? Without you doing download it, you will get it here. But you can now scroll. You see the way I'm moving all this. Click it. Check. I download this one. Check. I download this one. Check. I download all this one. Now let me pick one as an example. I will pick this. I will pick this one. You see? I've pick this one. Now I will come into my size. I will come into size. I will reduce it. You see? increase it a bit. I will increase it a bit. Good. Good. I will close it. So what am I going to do next? I will still come into sticker. I will come into sticker. Understand? I will scroll to the right like this. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. So I'm looking for something to enhance my design. Now let me pick out of this gym as an example. Let me pick this. Good. So what am I going to do? Let me come to size and reduce it. Then I'll position it at the middle. Let me position it well. Good. Now I will come to test. I will come to test. Good. Add test. I will come to add test. Good. I will type Jimmy. Let me type Jimmy. Okay. Jimmy Fitness Center. Good. Accept. Now this is it. I will come to my size and reduce it. Sorry. I will come to size to reduce it. Good. Then I will now come to align. Sorry. I will come to align. You see it. So this is align. Then this is center. I want to center it. Click center. Good. Then position it here. Position it here. You can move this one down. Then what am I going to do? I want to come to stroke. Then I will reduce it a bit. Let me reduce it. It's too much. So it's good like this. Then click accept. Fine. So now let me deal with this sticker. Good. Size. Let me reduce it. Then I will move it down here. The one at the middle here, I will place it here. It's too much. Let me reduce it. You see, I'm not designing all this in my pixel lab. I'm designing everything here. So you can use it to design here. Good. Let me increase this one a bit. Let me increase it a little bit. So good. The next thing I will do now is to what? Is to process the work. So I will click on what? On three dots here. Good. After that, I will click on convert. Good. Click accept. Now let me choose. These are the font. These are the mock-up. Let me pick one. So you click on this. Now let it load. Good. What are you going to click? You click on this. Now it's processing. You see the previous one I've done before? You will see it there. And I will tell you where to see how you can delete all these things automatically. You see it very fast. You see? And the next thing you will do is to just click on this to save it. I will show you how the work looks like. So let's go and see how it look. Understand? Let's go and see how it look. So the work, you see, this is it. Very simple. You see, it is very as simple as this. In my next video, I will continue explaining some tricks about the Photog and some of the easiest way to use this Photog to design an amazing work. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be able to be notified whenever I post the next video.